From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could transform your bathroom into a spa-like experience with a simple yet effective addition? Introducing the ZIKIBL Stone Bath Matte Diatomaceous Earth Shower, a game-changing solution for a safer and more hygienic bathing experience. This innovative product is crafted from sustainable diatomaceous earth, making it not only durable but also a cost-effective choice in the long run. The textured surface of the mat provides a gentle grip on your feet, while the included rubber anti-slip mat ensures it stays securely in place, giving you peace of mind with every step. As a well-reviewed and popular choice among many customers, the ZIKIBL Stone Bath Mat has proven to be a valuable addition to any bathroom. One of its standout features is its super absorbent and fast-drying properties, allowing you to say goodbye to damp and unhygienic conditions. The mat's ability to quickly evaporate and dry means you can avoid moisture accumulation and odor generation, keeping your feet clean and dry. The sound of water droplets being absorbed into the mat is almost instantaneous, leaving your bathroom floor dry and slip-free. In addition to its impressive absorbency, the mat is also incredibly easy to clean. Simply rinsing it with water or wiping it with a damp cloth is enough to keep it in pristine condition. For more stubborn stains, gently using sandpaper can make them vanish effortlessly, leaving the mat looking like new. The feel of the mat under your feet is also noteworthy, providing a comfortable and gentle surface that's perfect for daily use. Whether you're looking to enhance your bath safety or simply want a more luxurious bathing experience, the ZIKIBL Stone Bath Mat is an excellent choice. With its unique combination of durability, absorbency, and ease of use, it's no wonder this product has become a staple in many bathrooms. Give it a try and discover the difference it can make in your daily routine. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.